Hello everyone, today I will review the DOACE 2200 watts voltage converter and adapter. In this video I will talk about the advantages of this product. 1. All-in-one solution. Built-in 3 AC outlets, 4 USB ports and 4 universal plugs to meet your needs of charging various appliances. One converter socket can intelligent step down all voltage to 110 volts to 120 volts for hair dryers and other non-digital devices up to 2200 watts. Dual adapter socket can work with all dual voltage devices like cell phone, MacBook, laptop, tablet and other devices marked, and 4 USB ports can work with all DC 5 volts USB devices. 2. International use with 4 plugs. 1 US cable plug and 3 detached UK, European, African Union plugs enable you to charge your US appliances safely when traveling worldwide, such as North America, United Kingdom, Continental Europe, Australia, Italy, Israel, Japan, China, Africa, etc. More than 160 countries all over the world. 3. Multi-charging up to 2200 watts. 3 AC outlet and 4 USB ports enable charge 7 devices simultaneously. Built-in 10 ampere fuse, it can support 2200 watts in total when used in 220 volts regions like Europe, China etc. While used in 110 volts to 120 volts countries like US, Canada, it can load 1100 watts in total. 4. Safe and silent work. Comes with LED power indicator, built-in 10 ampere fuse with overload, overheat and surge protection. No fan, no noise, always works quietly. Adopting advanced cooling material to realize effective heat dissipation. Built-in auto shut-off temperature controller to keep you and your device in safe condition. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you would like to see next. Enjoy watching. Bye.